This 2014 Jayco Seneca 37TS is a Class C RV. It is located in Draper, Utah, 84020 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 39 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, Slideout, and 82 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, rear bedroom. This 2014 Jayco Seneca 37TS is built on a Cummins ISB 6.7L chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.